When you're taking a group photo with your iPhone, don't just take the photo wherever they are standing without thinking about lighting. You can see half the ladies are in the sun and the other half is in the shade.
You can take your iPhone photography to the next level.
Let's bring them into the shade for this tutorial. Go into portrait mode, tap on the F aperture icon and bring it down to blur out the background. Make sure 1x is selected for the wide angle, then take the shot. Let's edit. You can combine filter and adjust to your taste. I picked Vivid for high saturation. You can always start your edit by picking auto, which does an amazing job, but you can also edit that for fun. Bring down the exposure a little, bring down the highlight, and now you have a beautiful group portrait straight from your iPhone. There are two different ways to capture movement photos, like jump shots, running, or any fun movement. Take the default photo, which is in live mode. This captures 1.5 seconds of photo all the time. Go into your photo app to edit, click on the live button below, then you can pick your favorite photo from this set, then select make key photo. Works great for people who blinks a lot. Second method is to slide the button to the left instead of tapping it, and it will take rapid photos. Cool thing is that it doesn't crowd your photo library, but instead keeps all the photos in one folder and you can pick your favorite shot from that. Share, follow, and like for more.